Hi, I'm Char, and this is Dieting with a Life. Carl is behind this screen stalking. And today we're going to talk about sulforaphane, the longevity, and what it can do for your body. So let's talk about sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is a chemical that is created by cruciferous vegetables, and it's created when you crush two chemicals together that are in things like broccoli sprouts, cruciferous vegetables. One is myrosinase and two is glucoraphanin. And when you mix those together and crush them together, they combine and create what's called sulforaphane. Well, sulforaphane is kind of like the plant's defense system. It doesn't want to get eaten, so it puts off a flavor like a radish, so that way animals and things won't try to eat it. Well, in our body, it activates the FOXO3 pathway, which is the longevity pathway, which actually helps reduce inflammation in your body. Well, if you reduce inflammation in your body, a lot of things happen. And there's been a lot of research about sulforaphane and actually preventing specific types of cancer. They've shown things like 50% reduction in female breast cancer. I've done a lot of studies on sulforaphane as far as what's the best method. And one thing is you don't want to cook it, okay? Because if you cook it, you kill off the chemicals that actually create the sulforaphane, and you're not getting much. So there's also a radish you can get called daikon radish, and according to Bill Fahey, or is it Bill Fahey or William? I can't remember.
One of those two.
Yeah, but he's from Johns Hopkins,
Hopkins. Not
and
Hodgkins.
Yeah, something. And he's part of the, what is it? NoChemo.org, or what is his?
I don't remember.
Something about NoChemo.org. And
I remember the interview.
Yeah, I remember the interview, but it was hit between him and Dr. Rhonda Patrick. And if you look up Dr. Rhonda Patrick, you'll see it. And he suggests doing 1% daikon radish. So if you had 100 grams of broccoli sprouts, you're going to have 1 gram of daikon radish. And man, that's just shavings. I mean, that's like nothing to really change the flavor. And he tried to get it as low as he could. And what happened is there was enough myrosinase in the daikon radish to actually match the glucoraphanin, and it put as much sulforaphane into you as you could. So that's a really good thing. Do some research on that. Look for Dr. Rhonda Patrick. She has a video on it, but look up sulforaphane. In fact, I think that lady was telling me that I talked to today at one of our customers that Dr. Oz, he had a show about sulforaphane, and that's pretty cool. Because I'm glad it's starting to catch up. I mean, they were talking 86% reduction in PSA scores. A lot of cool research. Dr. Rhonda Patrick has a great video on it. It's a little hard to understand sometimes, but watch it a few times to get through it. And but I highly recommend cruciferous vegetables, at least hopefully once every 3 days. But broccoli, and I was telling her, and she's saying they were just eating broccoli sprouts. You know what? Oil is great for you. Fat is great for you. Okay, so olive oil, Greek olive oil.
Put some salad dressing on that.
Greek olive oil, salad dressing, feta cheese, some great olives that have really good heart fat in them. It's great for your body, and literally going to do nothing to your glycemic index except for the broccoli sprouts. They've got some carbs in them, but those are totally worth it, in my opinion. I mean, unless you're on a fat fast, then they're totally not on the menu. But broccoli sprouts, Whole Foods has them. Very, very good. You can even sprout your own. If you go on Amazon, there are broccoli sprout seeds. If you get those clay pellets and stuff that they use for aquaponics.
Chia pets.
No, for aquaponics. Yeah, I guess you could do a chia pet too, oddly enough. But it's the clay pellets for aquaponics. And you can just put some water in a bowl and then just put it on your counter. So definitely look into that, because we all need longevity and we all need less inflammation.
Yes.
Inflammation causes heart disease. We all need less inflammation. So definitely it'll help everything in your body. So thanks for watching. Try some broccoli sprout salad. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notify button, all the things he makes me say. I just want to talk about science. Bye.